Are you looking for an effortlessly cool cocktail that's sure to elevate any occasion? Well, look no further than the Espresso Martini. With its elegant appearance, sweet and smooth flavor, and a delightful dose of caffeine, it's an easy yet impressive cocktail, ideal with brunch, as an aperitif, or a post-dinner drink. And they do say simplicity is the ultimate sophistication, and an Espresso Martini is a testament to this. To get started, you only need 5 ingredients: vodka, coffee liqueur, espresso, simple syrup, and 3 espresso beans. In your cocktail shaker with ice, measure out about 2 ounces of vodka. A half ounce of coffee liqueur, 1 ounce of espresso, and a half ounce of simple syrup. Let's give it a good shake. Now, pour into your martini glass and top it with 3 espresso beans. And there you have it, a delicious espresso martini that's as easy to make as it is to enjoy. For more insider tips and recipes, check out Bartending for Dummies, your definitive guide to becoming a cocktail connoisseur. Cheers.